Do you ever find yourself trapped in a monotonous routine where each day seamlessly merges into the next and your aspirations feel just out of reach? It's as if, no matter how hard you try, you're stuck in a perpetual cycle, making no progress towards your desired destination. It can be incredibly frustrating, can't it? But here's a thought for you. What if the key to unlocking all those dreams and goals isn't found in the relentless hustle and grind, but within the incredible power of your mind? More specifically, in the profound art of visualization. As Buddha wisely said, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. It's a concept practiced for thousands of years, yet often overlooked in our modern era. Imagine visualization as your secret weapon, a hidden path in a dense forest of challenges and uncertainties. Have you ever heard the wise words of William James? He once shared a profound insight. The greatest discovery of my generation is that human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitudes of mind. Now, let me tell you, this is where the magic of visualization comes into play. It's not just a concept. It's a potent tool that can truly transform the entire landscape of your life. Think of yourself as an architect drawing up a blueprint before constructing a building. Your dreams, well, they're the incredible structures you're about to bring to life. Now, the burning question is, how do you change the game of your life? That's precisely what this video is all about, so make sure you stick around till the end. We're diving deep into how the power of visualization can be your secret weapon, helping you break free from that rut and step into a life where dreams aren't just dreams. But before we get there, let's grasp the essence of visualization itself. Imagine this. You have a superpower, one we all possess, but perhaps we've just forgotten how to wield it. Ever caught yourself daydreaming? Maybe about lounging on a sunny beach or acing that job interview. That, my friend, is visualization. Yet, it's more than just daydreaming. It's like creating a blockbuster in your mind, where you're the director, scriptwriter, and star. Visualization is about vividly seeing the life you desire, right down to the tiniest details. Intrigued? Well, let's unravel the secrets together. When you visualize, you're not merely an observer, you're right there in the scene. Let's take a practical example. Picture yourself healthy and strong. Studies have proven that when people visualize themselves in good health, their bodies start to believe it. Your mind becomes a powerful ally in both healing and staying fit. Or let's talk about dreams of financial freedom. Visualize it and see yourself as a successful individual handling money wisely and living comfortably. It's like setting the GPS for your financial journey. Whether you're on the lookout for love or aiming to strengthen your current relationships, picture those happy, loving, and fulfilling connections. Visualization isn't just a magic trick. It's a powerful tool that can work wonders. Got goals? Fantastic, visualize them. Dreaming of writing a book, starting a business, or mastering a new skill? See yourself not just attempting, but succeeding at it. Trust me, visualization can be your superpower in all these aspects of your life. Let's get you started on creating your dream blueprint, what we like to call idealization. Imagine yourself as an architect, because before constructing anything, you need a blueprint, right? Idealization is exactly that. It's your chance to dream big and get specific about what you want. Instead of vague, "I want to be happy," zoom in. Ask yourself, what exactly does happiness mean to me? Is it having a fulfilling career, a loving family, or maybe traveling the world? This step is crucial because it sets the stage. It's like telling your brain, hey, this is what we're aiming for. Consider it as programming your internal GPS with the precise coordinates of your destination. Clarity and consistency are the dynamic duo at the heart and soul of visualization. Clarity means being as detailed as possible. Imagine you're painting a picture in your mind. You want to see all the colors, feel the emotions, and hear the sounds. The clearer the image, the more real it becomes in your mind. Exciting, right? Consistency is like adding fuel to your visualization fire. You've got this vivid image in your mind, right? Well, here's the secret sauce. Keep revisiting it. Think of it like watering a plant or hitting the gym. The more you do it, the stronger and more vivid that mental image becomes. Make it a daily habit, just like brushing your teeth or checking your phone. Over time, this constant mental rehearsal starts to reshape your reality. Close your eyes for a moment. See the endless expanse of white snow around you. Feel the crisp cold air on your skin. Hear the soft crunch of snow under your feet. Smell the fresh pine in the air. And notice the sensation of warmth despite the cold, wrapped up in your cozy winter gear. This exercise isn't just a fun mental getaway, it's training. You're teaching your brain to create and believe in a new reality. The impact on your mindset and your life gets stronger. Remember, the process of visualization is like learning a new language. It takes practice. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be amazed at the conversations you can have with your future self. Keep at it, and soon you'll be living out those dreams you've so vividly painted in your mind. There is this quote by James Allen that has been stuck in my mind ever since I heard it. He said, "You are today where your thoughts have brought you. You will be tomorrow where your thoughts take you." Now that hits the nail on the head when we talk about the impact of visualization. It's all about transforming your thoughts. When you visualize, you're not just daydreaming, you're actively sculpting your future. Think about it. If you spend your time imagining success, happiness, health, and love, your mind starts to move in that direction. You begin to think differently and see things differently. It's like you're planting seeds in a garden. The more you nurture these thoughts, the more they grow, and eventually they start to blossom into reality. Sure, this transformation doesn't happen overnight, but it's a powerful shift. You start to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles. Your subconscious mind, like a faithful servant, takes your thoughts as instructions and tirelessly works to make them your reality. When you visualize, you're giving these instructions, and the amazing part is your subconscious can't tell the difference between reality and imagination. It starts to align your actions and habits and attract circumstances that bring your visualizations to life. Continued visualization programs your subconscious to recognize and seize opportunities aligned with your goals, navigating the best route while avoiding obstacles. The true power of visualization lies in changing your inner programming, the blueprint of your thoughts and beliefs. Your mind can influence your body. Athletes use visualization to enhance physical training, improving performance. It's not just for athletes, anyone can benefit. In terms of wealth, visualize achieving financial goals and experiencing the feeling of financial freedom. Regular visualization helps your mind identify opportunities to turn these visions into reality, whether it's a new job opening, a business idea, or smarter financial decisions. Your mind's focus shapes your reality. Visualization is a blueprint for success, whether in acing interviews, learning skills, or improving relationships. Imagine the details and feel the emotions. It builds confidence and prepares you for success. So, tap into the universal power within you and use visualization as a tool to consciously shape your future. Start incorporating it into your daily routine, painting a picture of your ideal life and pairing it with action. Remember the wisdom of Norman Vincent Peale. Change your thoughts and you change your world. Your mind is your canvas. What you paint today will become your reality tomorrow. Subscribe for more insightful videos. Thanks for tuning in.